Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I am actually cutting grass here in the goats park, and suddenly I saw a trapped bird. You see, I leave my helmet to run here. I don't know if it's still there, to run and get my phone because it's a nice bird trapped, and I don't know, I hope I can save her. She is trapped in the net of the chicken. Hey, it's okay. Oh my god, it's a nice bird. Did you see it's there, guys? Oh, the poor bird. Quiet chicken. I will try to save, but I'm afraid he will bite me. Look at the poor bird. You see that very big beak? I don't know what he is doing here, but don't bite me, eh? You have a very big beak. Oh my goodness. Since few days I saw this type of bird and I want to see it closer. I wear my gloves, and there's a beautiful caterpillar there. I don't know if he tried to catch that. That's why he is trapped. Or, oh my goodness, I'm so afraid. Christian is busy. Hello bird, do not, huh? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh. The feeder has already some broke. Did you see the big bite, the big mouth of the beak? I think I really need to call Christian because I'm so afraid of the mouth. Even I'm wearing a gloves. No, it's okay, chicken. You see my grass cutter is there. I was there cutting grass in the goats park. Han! Han! I cannot save the bird! Han, I'm afraid to save her because she has a very big mouth. Would you like to come? Wear your nice gloves. No, she is already very, I think because she's hurt. I saw her wings. And then I saw a nice caterpillar. Maybe that's what she tried to reach, or she tried to go to the chickens' feeds. It's like the bluebird, ba? But she is blonde. I think she's other nationality. Be careful, Ana. Inside the chicken. It's very nice. Look at her big hand. Very orange. It's there, ano? At the end. You see, she's beautiful. I saw her. Her wings is already a little bit broke. She's very mad, Han, if you touch. Wait, Han. Quiet, it's okay. The beak is very long, Hana?
Hmm? No, I think
She hold the...
is wood picker, or do you call that?
Yes, wood picker.
Hmm? It's
Very
a kind of wood picker.
very strong beak. Oh, it's okay. No, because her foot is holding.
Yes, but
We need to cut. Oh, no, no, no.
Carlo. His body, I don't know.
I don't understand.
You-
I will hold her beak.
Hmm?
Look, look, look.
Hmm.
Ah, she has a little bit blue, like the other. Oh, baby, I touch you. I always saw you with the other with the blue one since few days, and now I touch you. Hey, hey, hey. Fly, fly, fly.
Yes, it's a wood picker for me because I recognize
The beak.
the sound.
She's gone very fast.
He's happy.
I believe the other wing is really broke. No more. Where are you? No more. She is happy. Thank you, honey. So the bird is free, and I'm happy that she looks fine. So this is where I cut grass. You see, I cut the bad grass that the goats doesn't like. This type of grass we call this hagunoy, and it's smelly. But other people said this is good for as medicinal plant, but it's very smelly and they grow very very fast. The goats don't like them, and you can't imagine this type of grass. If we don't cut regularly, they can grow as big as they're really big. I remember when we bought this lot here, when we started here, Christian and I cut so many grass like this, and they are really big with very big branches everywhere. So this is the view from here. This is also a small part of the hill here. and the house is there, and the lawn is there, and then the road. This is the road divide this part here and the other part there. So you see that's where we put the road, our right of way. And then you can, if this part is not cut regularly, if the if this is not cut regularly, this is what happened. This lot is owned by the house from there, but most of the time it's only the caretaker there. But you can imagine, it's very, the grass grow so fast there. It's worst when we bought this lot, when we bought this our area here. The grass is worse than this one there, because I don't know for how many years the owner don't cut the grass before we buy it. That's why when we buy it, it's really jungle. There are so many, and it's only I and Christian who clean everything around. Worse than this, you see. Because this part here is, this lot here is part of this lot that we bought, and then the owner subdivided it into three parts. There, I saw somebody there with the kids are passing with the carabao. So yeah, this is really what happened when the grass is not cut regularly, especially that almost every day now we have heavy big thunderstorm. So that is the third part of the lot there, but it's sold back to, I think, to a foreigner also with a Filipino wife, but I think they are currently in the country of the husband. So you see how the grass grow in the Philippines and all the trees after the super typhoon Odette. It's nothing there, nothing is left. Everything is destroyed, damaged, and that hill there is very visible after the super typhoon. But now look at that. Look how fast the nature heals. It's healing very fast, and the leaves are growing very fast. The good thing of maintaining cutting the grass is that according to Christian, which is also true, and that's what I also noticed, it's giving, if we maintain to cut the long grass, it's giving chance to the grass like this that the goats really like to eat, to grow, because when we started here, there is nothing under the soil except the big grass like that. So like that, if you clean that, there is nothing under except soil, because the grass like this, they have no chance to grow because they are under the shadow, and the big grass eat all the nutrients. So same with our lawn, it's nothing under. When we cut all the big grass there is nothing under the soil. But now look at the lawn. So it's not so green at this time because the sun is already about to set. It's close to the end of the afternoon, but soon. But when the sun is very nice, the bright of the sun makes the grass looks greener. So you see, the lawn before, it's nothing under. It's small stones and soil, but now it's with the maintenance and with the help also of the goats, they really maintain the to make the grass shorter. I heard the oh no, I believe it's the bird again. So that's all for this video. Ah yes, I think it's the bird again. I know, no, it's another one. Yeah, that's all for this video, and I will finish the cutting grass in this area before I feed the chickens and the goats. Thank you everyone for watching our channel, our videos. Have a nice day.